Entro is a revolutionary cyber holistic security platform that offers end-to-end protection for secrets and programmatic access to cloud services and data. With Entro, CISOs and cybersecurity professionals enjoy comprehensive oversight, ensuring uncompromised protection for their organizations. And let's meet our guest, Itzik Alvas. He has 15 years plus of R&D and management experience, started his career as a DevOps engineer in the Israel Defense Forces, and moved on to managing R&D groups with an emphasis on cloud compliance and information security, and leading organizations such as Microsoft. He co-founded Entro Security in 2021 and is again the first and only holistic secrets security platform. With that, let's welcome to our virtual stage here, Itzik Alvas. Itzik, thanks so much for being a part of this discussion today.
Thanks, Tom. Thanks for having me. It's a pleasure.
Let's start here for context for our audience. When we talk about secrets, what exactly do we mean? What are the secrets we're protecting?
Right. Great question. So to frame secrets, every application that is being developed by any organization needs to use cloud services nowadays, Tom. And in order for those applications to use the cloud service, such as database or etc., those applications need keys. Those keys are secrets. They can be API keys, access tokens, connection strings, and etc. So those are secrets. Essentially programmatic access keys.
Okay, why is securing these secrets such a challenge, and why more so now than ever before?
Right. Okay. So those secrets or those programmatic access keys are being generated and created by the R&D teams. They can be developers or DevOps or SREs, and they are being created without any oversight by the security team. So the R&D are creating secrets. They are not responsible to secure them, and they are scattering them around. So hopefully they are using Vault solutions. But then again, if you're using Vault, you probably have Vaults are secret storages, place in which you can store your secrets. But then again, if you're using Kubernetes, you probably are leveraging the Kubernetes secrets. And if you're using GitHub, you are leveraging GitHub secrets, which is the Vault offering of GitHub. And then Jenkins, Vault offering of Jenkins secrets, and etc. So all of a sudden, you have a lot of vaults out there. And then secrets are being committed into code, are being sent over Slack messages or team messages, being saved on Wikipedia. So the main problem with secrets, security teams have no idea how many secrets they have and where are they. And then even if they find the secret, so a secret is a long string, you have no information about it. You don't know who created it, why, when, what cloud service that secret can access, with what privileges, and etc. So security teams, again, have no idea how many secrets they have, where are they, and those secrets are scattered all over the place. For the past 4 years in a row, according to Verizon and IBM reports, which are leading the industry, secrets targeted attacks are among the top 3 attack vectors out there, and the #1 most destructive and costly attack to an organization. And why now? Because more cloud services are being created, SaaS services, DaaS services, PaaS and IaaS, the more secrets organization needs to have. So with the adoption of cloud services and with the joint adoption of microservices, there are a lot of secrets out there. Actually, for small organization of about 50 engineers, you will have at least 500 secrets and over 5 different vaults.
Well, there's a pretty good argument there on why secrets management and security ought to be a priority for organizations. Talk about that. It's easy to see why it should be a priority. What's the challenge for making it a priority in some organizations?
Again, the challenge is trying to find an easy way to get some sort of knowledge around how many secrets we have and how to protect them. As mentioned earlier, you have no idea how many secrets you have, where are they, and then even if you find one, you have no idea what to do with it. You have no idea who's the owner of it, who created it, and etc. And again, by looking at the data, by understanding that secrets are among the top 3 attack vectors, and it's obvious why, right? Because they are being created and scattered all over the place. the name of the problem is secret sprawl. So it's easy for attackers to get an hold of one of your secrets and then to abuse it or to misuse it and create more secrets, expand your attack surface, and breach your organization in endless waves. And we've seen it all of the time. We've seen it with Slack, with LastPass, with Toyota every other week.
Good point. Who is or who should be responsible for securing these secrets?
Right. So for securing the secrets, of course, it's the security teams, right? The CISO, the head of the security organization, and then the teams underneath it. It can be application security, it can be product security, it can be SecOps, and etc. There can be many different teams that are responsible for the security of those secrets and are responsible for the security of those secrets. But again, they are missing the tools to help them secure those secrets or to understand even the landscape of the secrets within their organizations.
Well, that gives us a good entry to get into the how. What are the solutions available for secrets management and security, please?
Right. So currently, you have two different solution buckets, but they're not really answering the problem. They are answering a fraction of the problem. So we mentioned one, vaults, and vaults are essentially secret storage or secret database. It's an offering for the R&D teams, for developers and DevOps, to a place to store your secrets, right? So you can create a secret, or DevOps from your organization will go to a database instance, it will create a secret key over there, and it will store it somewhere. You can store it within a vault, and the application will fetch it from that vault and use it in order to access the database instance. So that's a place to store all of your secrets. But the problem with vaults that they don't offer any context or visibility or management over your secrets. So again, if you're trying to understand, okay, how many secrets I have stored within my vault, you have no idea. Who's accessing my vault? No idea. Any abnormal behaviors around my vault, any misconfigurations, what those secrets can do, what cloud services they can access. Again, no idea. Those are secret storages or secret dumps. And they can encrypt your secrets, so they are a good solution. But again, they are only answering a fraction of the problem. The other ones are secret scanners, and secret scanners are essentially pattern scanners, right? They can find secrets exposed within your code or within your CI/CD, mostly within code and CI/CD. But again, they are not offering any context over the secret. So I was a CISO myself, and I used a secret scanner, right? Because I tried to mitigate that problem. So I was scanning my code, and then the secret scanner found 1,000 secrets. Now what? I have a list of 1,000 secrets. I have no idea what to do with them. I don't know who's the secret owner, who should I approach, what the severity of each secret. So maybe one secret is already deleted at the cloud service and have no accessibility, and maybe the other one is admin over my most sensitive storage. I had no idea what to do with that. So they are missing, first of all, coverage, because they are not scanning your Slack messages, they are not scanning your emails, they are not scanning other cloud services and etc. They are only scanning code and sometimes CI/CD. So they are missing one, coverage, and then secondly, they are missing the context. So there's a lot of false positives over there.
Well, let me talk to you about Entro security. What was the opportunity that you came to market to be able to meet and to fulfill?
Right. So Entro security is doing secret security in a holistic way. We actually are putting an AirTag on each secret, right? So from the moment that secret is created and until hopefully it's deleted, we will let you know where's the secret, who's interacting with it, who's duplicating that secret, and etc. So we will let you know everything about that secret. So first of all, we have a pillar of secret discovery, and we are able to discover all vault solutions within your organization, and also other secret storages or places in which secrets can be stored or exposed. So we will scan your entire code repositories and CI/CD and collaboration tools such as emails or Teams, Wikipedia, such as Confluence, ticketing, such as Jira, and etc. So we will scan your entire stack and let you know how many secrets you have and where are they. And then we are able to enrich and classify each secret or to enrich it with metadata and basically visualize the map around it. And say which application is using what secret to access what cloud service, and add vital data around the secret, when it was created, why, by whom, what cloud service it can access, with what privileges, when it was last rotated or replaced for compliance purposes, such as SOC 2 or FedRAMP or GDPR and etc. So we will add a lot of data on that secret and visualize the map around it, and then we will monitor those secrets for any abnormal behavior. So if your secrets are being accessed from China or Russia, we've seen it a month ago, hey, we will let you know. If you have application that is using 2 secrets every day and all of a sudden they're using 10, okay, we will let you know. And of course, remediate those for you. And then we have a lot of other pillars, but essentially full secret discovery. So how many secrets you have, where are they? And then secret classification, and of course, abnormal behaviors and mitigations.
Itzik, talk to me a little bit about your customers. What are the types of organizations that you're serving, and really what difference have you been able to make for them?
Of course. So we are solving a lot of different types of organization. First of all, as mentioned earlier, every organization that have internal development and of course are using the cloud, they have a lot of secrets, right? And they need a solution to protect those secrets from the devastating attacks that we are seeing every week. So we have software companies, we have finance companies, we have retail companies. Every company that have internal development, we can solve. And I can give you a few examples, right? So we had a POC just last week, and we found out that someone or another organization is copying out all of the secrets of the organization that we started POC with. So how can something like that even happen, right? That's other organizations, someone else is copying out all of your secret keys that have access to all of your infrastructure and then even using them. How can something like that even happen? The reason is because no one is monitoring them. And I mean, if you care about your human users, if you care about users that can access your email and Drive and etc., I guess you should care about your programmatic users, right? The users or the secrets that can access your most sensitive infrastructure. Another scenario of a customer of ours. So they fired one of their DevOps, and that DevOps actually download all of their secrets and saved it into file. Again, how can something like that even happen? So we are seeing a lot out there every single day. We are protecting another customers in another use case.
Excellent. I'm sure we've raised some excellent questions for our audience today. Where can our attendees go to get more information about secret security and management as well as Entro security?
Right. So you can reach our website, blog. So Entro Security, ENTRO .security. Go there, click on resources, then blog, and here you go. So we have a lot of collaterals around how to protect your secrets, how to best provision vaults, and how to properly scan your environment. So yeah, you can find a lot of information over there, and make sure to click the get a demo, and we can show you a lot more.
Well said. Itzik, I'm grateful for your time and your insight today. Thanks so much for sharing.
Yeah.
And of course, I want to thank our attendees. We know you took time out of your day to attend this session. We're grateful for that, and do trust that you're walking away with some new data points, some new information to help you and your organization to be even better prepared to protect secrets going forward. As always, I look forward to seeing you again at one of our upcoming events. And until then, for Information Security Media Group, I'm Tom Field. Thank you for giving us your time and attention today.